welcome back in the lecture of Standard 9. This is the lecture number 2 of your chapter number 3. We know that we are continuing with chapter number 3, the little girl, and the name of girl is Kezia. So in last lecture we have seen the introduction of the chapter. Then we have seen that Kezia is stuttering in front of father because she is so much scared about father. Most important thing here, that grandmother is so caring. So grandmother telling to Kezia that you should go to your father, you should go to your mother, and you should try to talk. Now till here we have seen in the last session. Now today we are going to see in the next point that Kezia is going to drawing room. Right? Finally she is agreed to go drawing room. And whenever she is going, she is just able to observe. She is just watching the scene that father is just lying on the sofa, and obviously that for the child, the father is quite, their outer figure is so big, right? So she is thinking that my father is like a giant, and big legs, big hands, big face. So she is just observing each and everything, and she is feeling like that this person is so big. But she is scared. She is not just trying to talk also. And mother is sitting, and in her hand there is a book. So it means she is reading something. So father was sleeping and mother was reading. Now father has just kept a handkerchief on the face. Right? जैसे सो जाते हैं ना हम. Yes, right. So like this way, it has like she has seen father is sleeping and mother is reading. Whenever she just stood there for 2 to 3 minutes, she was able to listen something, and that was snoring. Who was sleeping? Father. Father was sleeping and snoring. So this was the first scene. And whenever she came into the drawing room. Now after that we will be continuing with the next point, that is in next week there's father's birthday. So we know that if the father is strict, mother is strict, whatever, right? But if the birthday, so obviously we will try to give our love. We will try to convey our love to our parents. So this is so important that what Kezia will do? Obviously she is scared for father, but she will just try to make happy him. Now there is an important role of grandmother. That obviously grandmother is so close to Kezia. So what she is doing? Yes, your answer is right. The grandmother will give advice to Kezia that in next week there's birthday of your father. So what you are supposed to do? You just prepare one fine pin cushion, right? Yellow silk pin cushion. And after that you can just say that this I have made, and you can give as a gift to your father. Your father would be very happy that you are just remembering the birthday and you are giving gifts. So Kezia was also happy that this is the best way, this is the best idea to make my father happy. If my father will be happy, then I would be like, right? Then my father will just give me love, and then afterwards I don't have to be scared for father. Right? So grandmother has suggested that she has to prepare pin cushion, one yellow fine pin cushion. Now in pin cushion we know that cushion में कुछ feel करना पड़ता है, right? Cushion को cushion के जैसे बनाने के लिए we have to feel something in it. So Kezia was just finding that if I'm just finding the scrap, if I'm just finding the pieces of papers which is waste, right? So she was just finding in house here and there, and suddenly she just went in mother's bedroom. Obviously if it is mother's bedroom, this is the father's bedroom. So she suddenly, by chance, she went to parents' bedroom. Then what happened? Then happened that she found long papers, a bunch of papers. So she thought that this would be the best thing to keep, to fill in my cushion. एंड यहाँ पे बाहर पड़े हैं बेडरूम टेबल में, तो वेस्ट ही होंगे, इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे तो संभाल के रखे होंगे, राइट. सो केजिया इज जस्ट टेकिंग दोज पेपर्स and tore each and every page and made pieces of that, right? So, and she is feeling in the cushion, and after that she has just stitched the four side also. So for father's birthday, Kezia's cushion was ready. Right, till here this is a very happy story, very good story, right? Now suddenly on the same day, on which day? When Kezia has filled the fine papers, right, the pieces of papers into cushion, right, yellow pin cushion. Now on the same day, father was so angry and he was just shouting on mother. He has just called to each and every servant, mother, grandmother, right? So everyone was in the hall, and at that time father is told that my very important papers of pot has been misplaced. Has anyone found them? So here we have to strike out something, right? If it is not there, I will tell you definitely. So now father is giving orders to servants and mother that find each and every place and just give me back my papers. They are so important for my pot. Now each and everyone is finding and no one is getting paper. After that, father is just telling to mother that do one thing. Ask to Kezia that whether she has seen or not, right? And mother is going to Kezia's room. Now the turn of, right, why Kezia was preparing yellow cushion? To make father happy. Now mother is going to Kezia's room and just asking that. What she is asking? She is asking that have you seen a paper? Have you seen a paper where there was an important paper of father and I have put it in where? Yes, bedroom table. Kezia was not able to understand, but she was at one point right that she was true, and she spoke true that yes, I have seen. And where the papers are, do you know the answer? If yes, then you are so intelligent. So mother is like so happy that, oh, this girl has seen papers. So our mother is asking that, tell me fast where the papers are. And Kezia gave answer that I thought that those are waste paper, so I tore them and made pieces and I have filled in a yellow fine cushion. And mother, you know that this cushion I have prepared for specially father's birthday, to make father happy. But mother was so unhappy now because father was shouting for very important papers, and that important papers are in a pieces and that are in a Kezia's cushion, right? Mother is telling that please come in the drawing room, right, and come with me, your father is calling you. And mother is telling each and everything to father that what Kezia did with the papers. And father was so angry. You see that after that father came with a scale, steel scale, right? हम छोटे थे तो हमारे पेरेंट्स ने, हमारे फादर ने कभी मारा यहाँ पे पाम पे? जरा ऐसे आंख बंद करके एक बार याद कर लेना that if you are doing any mistakes, has your father did anything? So Kezia was so scared. She was so frightened that what will happen now? My father will beat me. Right? So father is coming with a scale, steel scale, and telling to Kezia that show me your palm, right? And take your palm forward. And father is beating with a scale on a very little hands, very small hands. A pink, obviously इतनी छोटी बच्ची के हाथ भी कितने सॉफ्ट होंगे, right? The palm will be so tender. And here the most important lesson what the father is speaking here, that you must be realized that we are not supposed to touch even the things which does not belong to us, right? So very important lesson here the father is telling to Kezia that you must be taught the thing that you are not supposed to touch the thing which not belong to you, right? आपको टच करना ही नहीं है कौन सी चीज जो आपको बिलोंग करती हो नहीं. Getting it? So generally many times we have seen such a people are having habit that ये चीज किसी की नहीं है, चलो हम ले लेते हैं, कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे, चलो हम ले लेते हैं, right? We all are very good, but we have seen many people are doing this. So this is so important lesson for each and every one of us, that which things are not belong to us, we are not supposed to touch even, right? So the lecture we are just stopping here, and next what the situation is there of Kezia ज़्यादा डर जाएगी या फादर के क्लोज कैसे हो सकेगी, बर्थडे पे क्या होगा, that we will see in the next session. So till time, goodbye, take care, and I hope that you will be so close to your mother and father, right? So till time, goodbye, take care, have a nice day, thank you.
आभार.